What's good with y'all? I gotta take the time out to do this cause man, I gotta shout out Naoevo. They sent me these LED headlights. So I'm about to install them, man. Show y'all a before and after. We're gonna see what they like, cause I know a lot of y'all like the LED lights, or a lot of us put them in our race cars or put them in our daily drivers or whatever. So I'm about to install these Naoevo headlights, LEDs, and I'm gonna show y'all a before and after, and we're gonna see how good they are. So y'all tune in. Let me get these popped in. I'm gonna show y'all the before first, and then we're gonna pop these in. We're gonna see what they're looking like. All right, y'all, so this is the before right here with the regular headlights in, factory headlights. So I'm about to get the Naoevo LEDs in. We're gonna see what they're looking like. All right, so I got both of the headlights out. Real easy, man. If you got the I got an 07 Monte Carlo, but any of those body style like 06 to 2013 or the 2014 Apollo Limited, same thing. You got a bolt right there, and you pull the clips up. They pull straight up. Headlight, whole headlight will come out. Just disconnect your harness from right there, and your lights twist out. So this is what they look like. We got the fan on back. Real solid construction. So I'm about to get them popped in. And this is what I like, y'all. With HID, you have to run the ballast. These plug and play. So I'm about to get them popped in and get the light back in and show y'all the after. And I can't even lie, I like them. I really do. And I done tried other brands before, but I really didn't know what to expect out of these. I'm being completely honest right now. I'm being totally honest. I put this on my mama. She dead and gone. Rest in peace. But I like these. Man, they look good. I like them. They got a bluish tint to them. I like the LEDs that give out that bluish tint because of the Kelvins and stuff. And they bright too. They bright, so shoot, Naoevo is a winner. For real, I like them. I'm gonna put the link. The link is in the description, the video description. This the box they come in. Naoevo. They some good lights. I'm not lying. I need to see if they'll send me some high beams. I like them for real. I need to see if they'll send me some high beams, or if they don't, I'm just gonna buy some because I like these. So this the finished product. That's what they look like. The Naoevo. So you can see. I'm talking about they nice. So link is in the description if you want some. And I will say this, they real reasonably priced. I hear the fans running in there. So yeah, I like them. I seriously do. I really do. I like them. So that's it.
Door on, bro. Door on. The door on.
Said